Y'all know who it is. I'm about to let it burn, niggas. I'ma let it burn, baby. Will them all. Spit gold shells through they silver doors until they lost. Motherfuckers, I'm built for war. Bring the brawl. Then I fucking show you what's in the store. You gon' need more than help from the devil and kill a god. I'm immortal. My technique's still doper than 10 keys. I would test thee, just see if you're ill enough to best me. The tech squeeze, your neck leak. I guarantee the vest bleed. I sell the best weed. The check screen is all that wreck need. Watch me laugh like hyenas while I dance in the fire. The underground light skin tired till I retire. Have you embraced the katana, you jambalaya? The product is A1. I don't have to convince the buyer. Check with Farrah Gorilla. Who the fuck is Silla? The Godzilla. Lay you flat like a tortilla. Have your soul trapped, nigga, fuck Tiller. Thriller in Manila. Ali but knocking out gorillas. Yeah.
I love the game. I love the hustle, man. As long as niggas is feeling it, a nigga like me can hustle it.
Yeah, high as fuck as I stare into the eyes of Medusa. Eyes on the moolah, leave holes in the ground of your ruler. My shooters, disguised as drivers riding the Uber. Choppers and Rugas, practice Kama Sutra on Buddhists. Me and 3A's sit at the round table to eat steak. All for rebate, we're roaming the block for that cheesecake. Slur the PJs, giving the fiends that free base. Fucking thick face, leave you in the pit full of green snakes. I walk the city like a giant, I'm a dog. I'm a fucking legend, they gon' miss me when I'm gone. Should I miss the gold, I want both the silver and bronze. Meet the underground king, nigga, you're looking like a pawn. I'm the coldest, it's Jeffrey Dahmer, hot like a sauna. You niggas bomber, I glitter like a king from Ghana. Wreck Osama, terrorize your whole persona. No Blagana, steady reaching my goals, partner. Yeah.
It's cool. Yes, but that's a kilo of coke. How much is worth? 25,000. This shit on the street is garbage. It's good. It's washed with acetone and kerosene. This is the best product. And you're gonna be the only one in the street holding this. 25 is the street price.